Hi, this is Deshmukh Gajanan. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Journey of English. My YouTube channel is completely dedicated to the study of English language and literature. I appeal all my viewers to subscribe my YouTube channel for the complete preparation of English grammar. Today we are going to deal with an important topic of English grammar. Today we are going to study subordinating conjunctions. First of all, try to understand what subordinating conjunctions are. Subordinating conjunctions introduce us with subordinate clauses. Once again I repeat, subordinating conjunctions introduce us with subordinate clauses. So here I have written a list of important subordinating conjunctions. Please have a look at them. When, where, while, after, because, if, that, though, till, before, unless, as. We are going to study the use of all these subordinating conjunctions with the help of this video. Let us try to study the use of different subordinating conjunctions with me. So first of all, we are going to study the use of a subordinating conjunction when. When Ram was young, he was energetic. When Ram was young, he was energetic. Have a look at this sentence. Examine this sentence carefully. The sentence can be divided into two parts. Okay. You can see one main clause in the sentence. You can find out one subordinate clause in the sentence. So here, when Ram was young is a subordinate clause. He was energetic, main clause. We can call a subordinate clause as dependent clause. Main clause has another name. We can call it independent clause. So here subordinate clause is introduced with the help of a word. That word is when. That's why when is called a subordinating conjunction. I hope that you must have understood it very clearly. Please have a look at another statement. When they were in the village, they were healthy. When they were in the village, they were healthy. So here, when they were in the village is a subordinate clause. They were healthy is a main clause. That's why when is an example of a subordinating conjunction. Let us study the use of another subordinating conjunction. That subordinating conjunction is where. I wonder where Raju has gone. I wonder where Raju has gone. So here I wonder is a main clause. This is a main clause. Where Raju has gone is a subordinate clause. And here also a subordinate clause is introduced by the word where. Therefore, where is an example of a subordinating conjunction. Let us study one more example. I do not know where they live. So here also I do not know is an example of a main clause. Where they live is an example of a subordinate clause. And here also subordinate clause is introduced by the word where. That's why we have to call where a subordinating conjunction. Now we will study another subordinating conjunction. Now we will study the subordinating conjunction while. Make hay while the sun shines. Okay, make hay while the sun shines. So here make hay is an example of a main clause. Okay, this is a main clause. While the sun shines. While the sun shines is an example of a subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. Here also try to understand the role played by the word while. Okay, subordinate clause is introduced by the word while. That's why it is very clear that while is an example of a subordinating conjunction. Let us study one more example. While we are driving, we should be careful. We should be careful. So here also while we are driving is an example of a subordinating clause. Okay, subordinate clause. It is an example of a subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. And here we should be careful is a main clause. So here subordinate clause is introduced by the word while. We must call while a subordinating conjunction. Now we will study another subordinating conjunction. That subordinating conjunction is after. After. After the shower was over. After the shower was over, the sun shone brightly. The sun shone brightly. After the shower was over, the sun shone brightly. So look at this sentence carefully. This sentence can also be divided into two parts. There is a main clause and there is a subordinate clause in this particular sentence. So here after the shower was over is a subordinate clause here. The sun shone brightly is a main clause here. So subordinate clause is introduced by the word after. That's why we should call after a subordinating conjunction. Okay, now we will study the use of another subordinating conjunction. That subordinating conjunction is because. Because. Radhika didn't attend the school because she was sick. Yeah, she was ill. Okay, she was sick. So here try to understand Radhika did not attend the school. Okay, Radhika did not attend the school is the main clause here. And from here because she was sick is a subordinate clause here. So subordinate clause is introduced with the word because. That's why because is an example of a subordinating conjunction. Okay. Now we will study the use of another subordinating conjunction. That subordinating conjunction is if. If you do not work hard, if you do not work hard, you will fail. If you do not work hard, you will fail. If you If you eat a lot, you will grow fat. If you eat a lot, you will grow fat. Look at the first sentence. Here, if you do not work hard is an example of a subordinate clause. You will fail is an example of a main clause. So that's why here also a subordinate clause is introduced by the word if. Therefore, if is an example of a subordinating conjunction. Look at the second sentence. If you eat a lot, you will grow fat. If you eat a lot is an example of a subordinate clause. You will grow fat is an example of a main clause. Okay. So here also if is an example of a subordinating conjunction. Let us study the next subordinating conjunction. The next subordinating conjunction is that. So let us study a few sentences of that. I know that he is a doctor. I know that he is a doctor. So here I know is an example of a main clause. This is a main clause. Main clause. Okay. That he is a doctor, subordinate clause. Here also it is very clear that is an example of a subordinating conjunction because subordinate clause is introduced by the word that. Next example, Neha replied that she was innocent. Here also Neha replied is an example of a main clause. That she was innocent is a subordinate clause. That she was innocent is a subordinate clause. Here that is an example of a subordinating conjunction. Let us study the next subordinating conjunction. Though. Though Raju is rich, he leads a simple life. Though Raju is rich, he leads a simple life. So here, though Raju is rich is a subordinate clause. He leads a simple life is a main clause. He leads a simple life, main clause. Okay. So here subordinate clause is introduced by the word though. Here though is an example of a subordinating conjunction. Another example, though he is poor, he is honest. Though he is poor, he is honest. Okay. Here also though is an example of a subordinating conjunction. Let us move on to study the next subordinating conjunction. Till. Wait here till I come back. Wait here till I come back. Examine this sentence thoroughly. Examine this sentence carefully. So here wait here is an example of a main clause. Okay, this is a main clause. Till I come back, subordinate clause. So here also a subordinate clause is introduced by the word till. Therefore, we must call till a subordinating conjunction, or in other words we can say that till is an example of a subordinating conjunction. Let us move on to study the next subordinating conjunction. That subordinating conjunction is before. Comb your hair before, comb your hair before you go outside. Comb your hair before you go outside. So here comb your hair is an example of a main clause. Before you go outside, okay, before you go outside is a subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. Therefore before is an example of a subordinating conjunction. Okay, wash the vegetables before you start cooking them. Here also wash the vegetables is an example of a main clause. Before you start cooking them is an example of a subordinate clause. Before is a subordinating conjunction. Now we will study the next subordinating conjunction. We will study unless now. Unless you work hard, you will not achieve success. Unless you work hard, you will not achieve success. So here unless you work hard is an example of a subordinate clause. You will not achieve success is a main clause here. Unless introduces us with the subordinate clause. Unless is an example of a subordinating conjunction. Now we will study the next subordinating conjunction. The last subordinating conjunction in our list is as. As he was not there, I spoke to his mother. Okay, so here look at this sentence carefully. This sentence has two clauses in it. Okay, it contains or this sentence contains a subordinate clause. This sentence also contains a main clause. As he was not there is a subordinate clause here. I spoke to his mother is a main clause here. Okay, we are introduced with the subordinate clause by the word as. That's why we have to call as a subordinating conjunction. As is a subordinating conjunction here. Once again I repeat, as is a subordinating conjunction here. I hope that this video will help you a lot. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for the complete preparation of English grammar. Have a good day everyone. Thanks for watching the video.